Wow, I've made $21,000 in like 15 seconds. Oh my God, this is insane. What are we gonna do? What's the first thing I'm gonna buy? Okay, here we are in Google Anti-Gravity using Gemini 3 Pro. First thing we're gonna do is ask it to make our Rafflecopter dropship program that'll make us $1 million. Please make my Rafflecopter dropship app so I can turn $100 into $1 million.
Money, please.
Hopefully this only takes a couple of minutes because I would like to be a millionaire. It's in planning mode. And here we go. Rafflecopter dropship app. Rafflecopter dropship app implementation plan. Ooh, requesting my permission in terminal. Sure. While we're waiting, let's read the plan.
Goal description. Create a high-energy premium Rafflecopter dropship web application. The goal is to provide a dashboard that visualizes the user's journey from $100 to $1 million with a fun, meme-inspired aesthetic.
This doesn't sound like a success so far, but we'll see. User review required. This will be a new React plus Vite application. I will use Tailwind CSS for styling. I'm not reading all this. Before we approve more things, I want you to realize this dropship app is serious. The idea is this Fire app will make me $1 million. Do it. Now we're waiting. Let's see what it has to say for itself now. I don't appreciate it. It's not taking me seriously. Generating. There we go. Now we're thinking. Let's read some of its thoughts. I've revised the plan to solidify the Fire app as the central concept. This involves updating the implementation document and ensuring smooth scaffolding process. Ooh, that sounds so professional. This isn't just a tracker, it's the money-making machine itself. Damn right. The app will feature a high-octane Fire interface designed to make the user feel like a drop-shipping mogul. It's a serious business presented with maximum hype. Yes, except, I can't wait to be a millionaire. While I wait, what are we gonna spend the money on? I think the first thing we're gonna do is buy a Lambo. Top of the line Lambo. God, it's loud. While it's working, let's go through the project setup. The dashboard, a command center for the dropshipping empire. Money printer, the core interaction loop. Hype analytics, real-time graphs showing projected earnings, always green. That's cheating, Gemini. That's cheating. Theme, midnight hustle, deep blacks, neon greens, fire oranges, animations, aggressive, satisfying feedback for every interaction. Verification, you know what? Let's hit accept. I haven't even told it what we're drop shipping. Do you wanna know why? Because it's so good, like everybody says, it should just do it. I don't wanna have to tell it anything. I like the word drop ship. Now make me $1 million. God, I can taste it. I'm so close to $1 million right now. We're gonna get a beautiful steak dinner cut at the Palazzo in Vegas. Then we're gonna buy a Lambo, and I'm gonna be able to afford the gas money. Why don't we take a look and see what it's built so far? The folder's empty. So it doesn't even know where this goes. I chose the folder. It literally says it right here. There we go. Now it's cooking with gas, maybe. I'm just thinking soon, this is gonna be real money. Not motion picture money. This is the boring part. I feel like it's been 10 minutes and I still don't have $1 million. I'm getting very, very frustrated. Let's check the folder. Ooh, stuff. Wow, I can already tell this is Google level app status. Our next video is gonna be world domination. My first million is just really gonna set the stage. After that, we're going straight to the 3 Comma Club. I can't wait to ask it what the app actually does. I'm so excited. Once it's finished, I am pumped about this because I wasn't very specific. I was specific about the $1 million. I'm pumped. We're so close. I can taste it. Okay, Anti-Gravity would like to use the browser. It's happening. It's happening. What's happening? Okay, it showed me that. Look at all that beautiful code. Oh my God, this looks like $1 million. I can already tell. I know what all of this means. This part. Nicely done. I would have done it a little better. Impressive. Let's see where we're at. Let's just click accept. Probably in the wrong corner. I'm blocking the accept dialog down here, but just know that I'm hitting accept in It takes a certain touch to do that. Oh my God. Look at all the money I'm making. This is insane. I've never made this much money this fast. Wow. I've made $21,000 in like 15 seconds. Oh my God, this is insane. What's the first thing I'm gonna buy? Maybe not the Lambo. Maybe 2 Lambos.
Yes! Oh my gosh!
This is kind of taking too long. I want to have... Okay, I don't want to seem ungrateful, but I feel like I should have $1 million by now. Look, I'm busy. I buy high and I sell low, and I don't have time for this. I'm important. I'm rich, and I'm important. Making me wait is ridiculous. Do you know what I could be doing with my time? Making even more money. But now I have to sit here and babysit this? This is trash. I want more money. More money! You know, with my clout, my riches, and my power, why am I even making YouTube videos? I don't need you. Rafflecopter Dropship App Walkthrough. I have successfully built the Rafflecopter Dropship app, the ultimate money-making machine. Features implemented: the dashboard, mission control, dark mode aesthetic, midnight hustle, real-time stats, total net worth, counter that reacts to your actions, revenue velocity chart, visualizes your exponential growth simulated. What? This isn't real? How dare you embarrass somebody as important as me? I might sue Google. So you're telling me it's fake? The money printer. Interactive button. Activate money printer. Toggles the profit generation. Okay. I think it's starting to sink in. That maybe I'm not gonna make $1 million. So I take back what I said. I need you guys. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell. Send me $1 million because I would like to make this a success. I'll see you soon.